When I was fighting the case for the widows of manual scavengers, even now I'm doing it. I have set up this website called Ask Assistance for Safai Karamcharis. So one day when I was reading in Times of India that this woman has lost her husband cleaning septic tank in a posh society in Chembur. I read the paper and I said, my God, how would she be running the house? You know, when your husband goes down to clean a septic tank for 1,000 rupees, what kind of poverty is that? I and my daughter, we walked up to these slums and we met that widow. And Bani is her name. And I asked Bani, Bani had a 3-week-old child, son. And I asked her, I said, why did he do it? She says, madam, वो तो painting का काम करता था. But डॉटर के बाद बेटा हुआ था. He says, मैं 40 days के फंक्शन में सबको नॉनवेज खिलाऊंगा. So for that 1 kg, 2 kg of non-veg to buy, he went down to clean the drain and he died. So, you know, that is why I say my law knowledge is for people like these. I told Bani, I said, Bani, I will take you to High Court. I will get you justice. Vimla Chorotia, she had 3 children. Her daughter told me, Papa कहता था खूब पढ़ो, बड़े घर में जाएंगे. They lived in slums. Neeta Kashikar, another person in Kurla slums. I collected these 3 widows. You know, I had filed a PIL in Bombay High Court. I had asked an RTI in BMC saying, how many deaths of manual scavengers take place in Mumbai? You know what reply I got from BMC? Nil. They said no death takes place. So when I read the story of these 3 widows, I said, I want you to come with me to the High Court. And these widows, I said, take your time. They all came. And when my PIL came for hearing, and I said, Lordship, here is an RTI reply from BMC which says no deaths have taken place. I said, these widows, are they ghosts? Or we have written them off already? They don't exist. And when these 3 widows got up, you will not believe that the collector suburban who had not given them compensation, second hearing when we step out of Bombay High Court, the Tehsildar was standing with checks of 1 lakh each for the widows, 1,25,000 each as an interim compensation. And in the third hearing, all the 3 widows had got 10 lakhs each. This is the power of law. If you want to stand for justice, if it is not money that lures you. And I think I would say that adversity, that YP going through that struggle, and Justice Sujata Manohar in Supreme Court saying that yes, truth triumphs, made me do law. And today when I stand up for these downtrodden, marginalized, I think this is the real Abha which had to come. At least we have set up a system where pan-India, I get calls from Bihar, I get calls from Kerala, where these widows, because they know one Vimla Chorotia has got compensation like this. You know, Mumbai being such a commercial city, Maharashtra being such a progressive state, ours is the first case where any widow of a manual scavenger has got compensation. 30 years there was not a single widow who was given.
So these regular updates that we hear on the national level also, that there are no deaths.
You know what they say? What the BMC's reply was? We have outsourced it. That means the cleaning is being done by them. But we are not responsible because we have given it to contractors.
What the contractors are doing, nobody knows.
So what I said was, we cannot outsource death. You cannot outsource death. You have a budget of 57,000 crores, now it must be 60,000 crores. It is your job. And Supreme Court in the Safai Karamchari case has clearly said, they have banned this manual scavenging. And in spite of banning, and they have made the district collectors responsible. You know, it is the collector's responsibility to see that it is stopped. And which collector has been made accountable? IS officers, they have tremendous following on Insta, they are doing this, they are doing that. We are only glamorizing them. They are not there for glamour. Power is given for a purpose. You are supposed to do a job.